Today we are going to work on page 129 and I am going to do example 4. They say in triangle ABC, calculate with reason the size of x and hence meaning after you know what x is, find the size of the interior angles. And then we have to find the length of AC. So what knowledge do we have? We are working with the interior angles of a triangle. So the knowledge that we have is interior angles add up to 180. And that is what we are going to use. So we are going to say angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Reason, interior angles of a triangle. So what is the size of angle A? 5x plus 20 degrees. B is x plus 10 degrees and C is 2x minus 10 degrees is equal to 180. So we are setting up an equation which we are going to solve now. So we have learned in algebra that we are going to group our like terms together. So I have 5x and 2x and 5x and x and 2x is 8x. 20 plus 10 minus 10 is equal to 20. And that gives me 180 degrees. I want to solve x. I must make x the subject of the formula. I need to get x on its own. The inverse of plus 20 is equal to minus 20. What I do the one side, I also do the other side. So to get rid of times by 8, I must divide both sides by 8. 180 minus 20 is 160, and I must divide that by 8 as well. So x is equal to 20 degrees. Now I've answered the first part. Find the size of x. X is 20. Hence, now that you know x is 20, find the size of the interior angle. So what is angle A going to be? Angle A is equal to 5x plus 20. The size of x, so we are doing substitution. X is 20. So angle A is going to be 100 plus 20, which is 120 degrees. What will be the size of angle B? Angle B is x plus 10. I substitute x in, x is 20, so it is 20 plus 10, and that is 30 degrees. What is the size of angle C? Angle C is 2x minus 10. So I'm going to write 2x minus 10 and substitute the value of x in. X is 20, which is 40 minus 10, and that is also 30. So if I look at my sketch, I know that this angle is 120 degrees and these two are both 30 degrees. So what do I know? If I have equal angles, then I have equal sides opposite equal angles. What is the length of AC? The length of AC, they gave me the length of AB. They told me AB is equal to 20. So what is the length of AC? AB is the same as AC. Therefore, AC is also equal to 20 centimeters. Remember your units, and your reason will be equal sides, opposite equal angles. And that was example 4. I also want to go to exercise 4, and I want to try number 4 of exercise 4. So let's have a look at that. Remember, you have to copy all these examples in your book and you have to write the answers down as well. And when we are doing geometry, we have to give a reason for everything that we do. So now I have my triangle. I know interior angles of a triangle adds up to 180. I also know that the angle on the outside, which we call the exterior angle, is equal to the sum of the opposite two interior angles. I need to set up an equation. I need to calculate x, and then I must find the size of the interior angles. So if I set up my equation, I say the angle on the outside, which is 6x minus 15 degrees, is equal to the sum of the two angles on the inside. The one angle, G, is 3x and F is 2x plus 12 degrees. And my reason will be exterior angle of a triangle. So 6x minus 15 degrees is 3x plus 2x is 5x plus 12. I'm going to make x the subject of the formula. I get rid of plus 5x by saying minus 5x both sides. I get rid of minus 15 by saying plus 15. So x is equal to 27. Sorry. So if x is equal to 27, I need to find the size of the interior angles now. Then angle G is equal to 3 times x, and that is 3 times 27. And you can go and work that out. Angle F is going to be 2x plus 12. That is 2 times 27 plus 12. And you can find that answer. And you must find all the interior angles. So if you must find the interior angles, you also need the size of E. So what do I know? The interior angles of a triangle adds up to 180. So angle E is going to be 180 minus angle G and angle F. Reason? Interior angles of a triangle adds up to 180. So you are going to take 180 and you are going to subtract the answer you got there and the answer that you got in F, and you're going to subtract that and you are going to write the answer. You are also going to try the rest of page 129 exercise 4, and you are going to do 1, 2, 3, 5 and B.